Good morning, students. Students, today I am discuss to chapter number 10, Training and Sports in Physical Education. Topic covered today: meaning of warming up, types of warming up, benefits of warming up. Meaning of warming up. Warming up is usually performed to do an activity in most refined and efficient way. It is a short-term activity and it is done prior to any competition or training. It helps the sports person to prepare physically, mentally, and physiologically for any types of training or competition. In fact, it is necessary to prepare those muscles which are involved in that specific activity, sports or games. If proper warming up is done, muscle become ready to respond efficiently. It is process in which muscles are warmed up by running, jogging and indulging in some free hand exercise prior to the training or competition. These preparations before competition or training is called warming up. The following definitions may help to know more about warming up. Warming up is a practice in itself. Warming up is done to tone up the body so as to meet the ensuing activity. Warming up consists of series of preparatory exercise either before a training session or competition. Number 4, warming up is the process of heating the whole body by running and performing exercise prior to the activity or competition. Then types of warming up. Warming up is mainly two types. Warming up, psychological warming up, physiological warming up. Physiological warming up, two types: active warming up and passive warming up. Active warming up are again two types: general warming up and specific warming up. Psychological warming up. With this kind of warming up, the player gets mentally prepared for the activity. It's important increase more in the games where the players compete with each other. For example, boxing, wrestling, judo, and karate, etc. The following methods should be used to encourage the player by informing the players about the capability, by informing the player about the shortcoming of the opposite players, by reminding a player of his previous victory, by removing the doubt of the player, by cheering up the player, by provoking the player sometimes. The psychological warming up can be started many days before the competition. It can also be used at the time of competition. Number 2, physiological warming up. This kind of warming up is used to enable the player to bear physical load. All the system of the body are brought into use through this system, and their efficiency is also improved with this temperature of the body start increasing gradually. The blood circulations increases As a result, the oxygen reaches all the working muscles. This type of warming up can be divided into following two parts. Active warming up. In this kind of warming up, the muscles are used to raise the temperature of the body. Some initial activity are done through muscles, which cause exercise of the muscles. Some light exercises are done by slowly. Their speed start increasing. The some hard exercise are also done. The active warming up should be done from 10 to 30 minutes. It depends on the fact that in which games the player is to take part. It can be done the following 2 days. Two ways. Number one way, general warming up. In this kind of the warming up, the exercise like slow running, fast running, calisthenics, jumping, stretching, the muscles, etc. are done. They are common for all games. The general warming up helps to toning the major muscles of the body and in improving the mobility of joints. Number two, specific warming up. This kind of warming up is done after general warming up. Special exercises are included in it. Those activities are done in it, which are to be done in the game also. It helps in toning up the specific muscles which are to be used in the particular activity. For example, specific exercise like layup shot in basketball, bowling, practice in cricket and kicking the football, etc. are performed before the game. Passive warming up. In this kind of warming up, muscles are not used in raising the body temperature. Instead, other techniques are used. Instead, the participation in physical activity, the body is warmed up through external sources like through massage, through tea or coffee, through steam, through sun bath, while bathing in hot water. The passive warming up is very effective in cold weather, but active warming up is very initial after that. Otherwise, there can be sudden strain on the muscles which can harm them. General exercise for warming up method are warming up. There are following methods of warming up which are generally used. Number one, jogging. Every athlete should perform jogging or slow running for 5 to 10 minutes to increase the body temperature. Number two, simple exercise. This is also a way of warming up. The exercise should be performed from simple to complex. Studying, it means running the distance between long strides. The distance of running should be not more than 50 meters. Stretching exercise. Stretching is one of the most critical parts of the warming up and of an athlete's performance. A more flexible muscles is stronger and healthier. Wind sprints. This is the last part of the warming up. It is usually done with spikes on. In wind sprints, the distance is 25 to 30 meter may be covered. Warm up with warm water. Warm up with warm water usually done in developed countries. Warm up through massage. This is an old method of warm up. It used in India by wrestler to get warmed up by hot drinks before the competition. Use of coffee or tea to get them warmed up, but it is not considered a good method. Through sun bath. The body can be warmed up through sun bath up to some extent, but in most of sports, this method of warm up is not usually applied. Through steam bath. The body can be warmed up through steam bath. Energy can be saved through steam bath, but this method of warming up is also not used frequently. Player should do simple exercise for sometimes after these exercise. Now specific warming up for different games. Hockey, dribbling, hitting, strike, rotations, etc. Kabaddi, back kicking, side kicking, rolling, kicking, etc. Football, wall jogging, juggling, wall dribbling, kicking, etc. Volleyball, blocking, forcing, smashing, etc. Basketball, dribbling, dodging, fake practice, etc. Badminton, high clear smashing, low clear smashing, tossing, etc. Tennis, knocking, service practice, volley clear, etc. Cricket, knocking, net practice, catch practice, etc. Baseball, hitting, throwing, catch, practice, etc. Kho-kho, dodging, zigzag running, pole to pole running, etc. Physiological basis, yeah, benefits of warming up. Warming up does produce physiological change in the working of the muscles, and warm up helps to building a strong and efficient perform, perform, formations for the working of muscles. The physiological basis of warming up are the following. Increase the body temperature. A proper warming up increase the body and muscle temperature, which helps in the efficiency of concentrations and relaxation of muscles. So it has a lot of benefits for the sports person. Researchers point that if the muscles have been slightly warm up just before the beginning of activity, the performance is greatly improved. If one falls to do warm up exercise before vigorous activity, it may lead to tearing of muscles fiber, decrease the resistance in muscles capillaries. Researchers revive that warm up decrease the resistance in muscles capillaries and brings the muscles in a state of readiness. Number 3, decreases the viscosity of muscles. Warm up decrease the viscosity of muscles. Researchers indicate that the previously inactive muscles stimulated repeatedly. The first few concentrations are often small and irregular, and relaxation is incomplete. But once the concentration becomes stronger, relaxation is complete. It takes place due to decrease in the viscosity of muscles. This leads to faster and efficient rate of muscular concentration and relaxation. It also reduces the occurrence of injuries or wear and tear of muscles and ligaments. Increase the speed of nerve impulse. Warm up increase the speed of nerve impulse, which improves and shortens the reaction time of sports person. Improvement in reaction time is important to sports person in most of the games and sports. Increase metabolic rate. Warm up increase the metabolic rate and ultimately improves energy level. In fact, the metabolic rates increase due to raising core temperature. If there is an increase the temperature y 0 to 0.5 degree centigrade, the metabolic rates increase by 7%. A high metabolic rate leads the higher production of energy, increase the speed of oxygen and fuel transfer to tissue. A proper warm up increase the speed of oxygen and fuel transfer to tissues. Its occurrence takes place due to the enhancement of blood flow through the muscles by dilating the small blood vessels. Increase in oxygen supply improves the functionality of muscles. Number 7. Reduce the blood lactic acid. Research indicate that heart rate and consumption of oxygen are directly related to muscle temperature. If the temperature increase, the heart rate also increase and the consumption of oxygen is also high, which reduce the blood lactic acid. Number 8. Increase in working capacity. The above mentioned physiological adaptations increase the capacity of the person to do physical work. All the system of body become efficient to do their related work. Thank you. Stay at home and safe.